This is the Goldblatt hole saw kit for stone. So these are diamond tipped hole saws made for boring holes in granite, brick, concrete, marble, stone. It's pretty self-explanatory. All right, so I've got a little brick here. It's polished on one side. I'm going to take one of the smaller bits and bore a little bit of a hole. Not too much of one. Yeah, let's do this one. Safety first. Let's go. There we go. Look at that. That hole is awesome. All right, after I learned how to use it, look at how deep that thing went that quick. Do that again. So you start at an angle so you can get a bite into it. Yeah, those are legit. Cool. Goldblatt hole saws that are diamond tipped. Comes in this nice carrying case too. I like it.